We have Hobart, Indiana 2025 annual cardboard boat races on Lake George in Hobart, Indiana. All right, let's see who sinks or swims.
What happened? What happened? What happened?
Capsized.
Taking on water! Who is that? Ace Hardware? Engineering department.
Oh man, that's not a good sign. That was the engineering department that capsized.
Hey, and they're about to start doing Wisconsin Street Bridge.
I know, right? A little worried.
He's gonna get fired.
Hey, everybody start chanting Shashowski. Shashowski! 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 Shashowski!
All right, they're about to get started.
I'm rooting for the Vikings.
Which one?
The Vikings, because my friends on that
Oh, okay.
Go, Luke! You suck!
You got this. Oh wow, it's like a battle royale over here. Look at that.
See, they got two.
It's like bumper cars. Top Gun. Look at that. That one capsized. It is a hardcore race. We got the Mayor Maverick. We got the fire department. We got the police department, hot and heavy. We got Vikings over here, and then that's the fire department, I believe. Much better showing than last year. They made it out of the dock. Oh my God, this is awesome. This is epic.
Yeah, that's fire. Fire had the union and the fire department. So two different boats.
All right.
That's why they had to put two.
And meanwhile, while that's happening, the building department still.
All right, Luke.
Look, the two guys.
There's always got to be one that capsizes. There you go. Who's in the lead? Oh no! Look, we got the mayor coming in hot and heavy. We got, what is that? The fire department and police department. They're all a little cockeyed. Go that way. The shore is that way. Oh my gosh! No, you didn't. Look, they're still going. Wow. Who's going to make it in? Who's going to make it in? Oh no, look. Police department and fire department are coming in hot and heavy here. Oh no. Fire department might have vindication. You got to go a little harder. A little harder. Almost got it. That's vindication for last year. Woo! Yeah. Excellent, and God bless the kids. They're still trying. They did good. Now last year they capsized, so that's exciting that they made it. Oh, and there's Captain Jack Sparrow. Is that the fire chief? Yeah?
No, they won.
Oh, we got Vikings. We still got the little girls trying to go. Oh my gosh. Truly epic.
Hey, for real.
Truly awesome.
God bless them. They lost the battle.
There you go. Good effort.
Fare thee well, matey.
Captain Jack, all right. Woo!
Yeah, Jack Sparrow.
Woo!
That's such a...
No, that's epic.
That's a black pearl, yeah.
It really is epic. There you go. That's excellent. All right, we probably won't finish out, but we still have these young ladies trying, so you got to respect and appreciate that, although they look like they want to topple over. All right, there you go.